Hey, hello, we're going to talk about LinkedIn today. I absolutely love it. LinkedIn is a fantastic prospecting tool. It's not a sales tool, no, it is a prospecting tool. Of course you need to post, you need to like, you need to comment and all that kind of stuff, and you need to probably spend about half an hour a day on it, something like that. But what do you write about and how do you go about it? So here are my 4 tips for using LinkedIn. Many people on LinkedIn are looking for information and education. So share what you know about, your expertise. Number 2, demonstrate what you've done for other people. Give the evidence, give the numbers, what you've done for other people and other organizations. Share your successes. Hey, number 3, you're gonna find that people really respond to you as a person. What you do outside work. It's a little bit Facebooky, I know, but have a go. Okay, and the last one, of course, is let people know that you are open for business. You gotta let them know that you're there to help them. Expertise, social proof, about yourself and being open for business. They are 25% each of your posting. Enjoy LinkedIn.